Hi everyone, I'm Marta Sanjan, founder of Icosa Computing. We're a startup out of New York City, and we use quantum physics to expand the optimization pipelines of systems in finance and AI. To solve difficult and large optimization problems, we use hardware built in Japan. Thus, we're very excited today to be presenting here in Tokyo.
All right, you may begin your 7-minute pitch right now.
Hello everyone, I'm Mart from Icosa Computing. We're a startup out of the United States, and we build discrete optimization software with quantum physics. All right, discrete optimization is very difficult computationally. But what is discrete optimization in the first place? It's just choosing things. Imagine you have hundreds or thousands of stocks or assets to choose from to create the optimal portfolio. That is discrete optimization. Or you want to do currency arbitrage and you're trying to find the optimal paths or cycles. That is discrete optimization. More recently, we created a Gen AI reasoning engine and choosing reasons. Let's say you're trying to make a financial decision like an investment, and you're trying to get the best reasons to make that decision. There's also discrete optimization. And quantum physics-based methods, such as quantum computing, is very useful for doing discrete optimization. But there is no product out there that effectively achieves this in the financial markets. So there's a gap. And why is that? So quantum computers themselves are still in the future. They are building in the lab, but they're not applicable today to the real world problems. But since they're very well suited for discrete optimization, this industry has inspired new players to build methods that work today. And most of those players are, in fact, in Japan. So we've been working with companies such as Fujitsu, Toshiba, and NEC, and we're using their quantum-inspired methods. These are algorithms or chips that we employ, and we built a top-level software. More importantly, we also built tuning that tunes the models, tunes the hyperparameters to achieve practicality. So long story short, we built a software toolkit that achieves two things. One, large-scale problems. So conventionally, you can do maybe 3,000 variable problems. With us, you can do 100,000 variable problems. These are fully connected graphs. We built a hyperfine tuner. So we tune the hyperparameters to achieve practicality. So this is not just research. This is applied every day in the market. So let me walk you through a day of trading. We get financial data in real time. We feed it through our software that goes through a quantum-inspired hardware or algorithm and reaches an optimal solution. Here's a long portfolio in 2 to 3 minutes. Again, we do tuning. So the tuning takes 24/7 according to market conditions. And one example parameter we tune is ratio of risk to returns. So our freemium model is an API that you can employ. This runs on your laptop and as a maximum of 1,000 variables because it doesn't require any additional compute power. And it has analytics as well. The cloud product allows you to use our machine learning hyperparameter optimization tool and has parallelization, so you can run on multiple CPUs and GPUs. We also partner again with the Japanese companies to boost this up to 100,000 variables. And if you are a company that have a custom problem in this discrete variable space, please reach out to us and we can build custom solutions to you. So there is enterprise software that's scalable in the continuous space. So continuous problems are different than discrete. Continuous means you can allocate continuous amounts, whereas discrete is just yes or no decisions. And this discrete is very hard. There are startups that tackle this problem in the quantum space, but they do consulting. They educate the workforce. We're the only ones that are building a scalable product that is native to discrete optimization. So some traction, we achieved 3x returns with a customer's benchmark, a $2 billion hedge fund. But this is just trading. So to explain that, we published a white paper with NEC Corporation. And in fact, all of our customers invested in our company for equity. Our next step is to release our Gen AI reasoner. And we're partnering with another Japanese entity to release this. These are our live trade results. The orange is the hedge fund that we work with. That was their internal trading. And the blue is us, where we achieved over 30% returns. More importantly, we optimized 25,000 stocks at once for this white paper with NEC. That's more stocks than available in one country. So we use Japanese, United States, Spanish, many European stocks to create this portfolio. And you can see that the scaling increases as you increase problem size in the x-axis. We're physicists and computer scientists. I did my undergrad and master's at Stanford, focusing on computer science, physics, and financial engineering. I worked at Fidelity Investments FCAT in New York, and then to Oxford to get a PhD in quantum computing. Dave was leading the JP Morgan quantitative research team for 10 years. John and Tarun are our engineers, and Alan used to lead the product at Google Quantum AI and leads product for us now. We were in Japan before. I was presenting at Q2B this summer, Quantum to Business Conference in Tokyo. And Japan is leading the quantum-inspired discrete optimization space. That's obvious. So we hope to bring US opportunities in the financial domain to Japan. We also want to conduct a mutual customer discovery. We want to do research contracts with universities here. And we want to expand our engagement here. We're becoming a member of FINOLAB. More importantly, we're opening up a legal entity here in Japan. And we're looking for strategic investment to achieve this as well. We have many great investors, founder of Fancy, one of the largest applications in the customer space, again from New York. Morgan Stanley's head of quantitative trading team invested in us. Mutual and hedge funds we work with invested in us. ScaleX Ventures, a great VC, is one of our earliest supporters. We were supported by University of Chicago and University of Toronto. We did 2 incubator programs there in the United States. And our next round is scheduled for this year. Again, we're looking for strategic partners, either in the finance space, either in this quantum-inspired space, or the AI space. And these are our partners, and we're very grateful for this organization today. We thank you for hosting us.
Thank you very much. That was Mr. Mert Esenkan, CEO of Icosa Computing from the United States.